Welcome back to the channel YouTube. We're going to talk about fork oil. Alright, this is what I use in the Pan-European. So Fuchs Silcoline RSF 7.5. Now in this bike the specification is 10 weight, and I've tried 10 weight previously. I actually used the Smith & Allen 10 weight fork oil, which, you know, I use the Smith & Allen 10W40 for the engine, and I tried their fork oil, and it was all right. It was all right, but I don't know, the bike just didn't feel the same. So I thought to myself, well, let's look for something else. And you might argue that, you know, that it was so old, that oil in those forks when I actually got the bike back in 2018. I wasn't sure if it had ever been changed, and it smelled and looked like it hadn't when I changed it, in fairness. It could just been, it was a bit firm, right? It's 10 weight. Maybe that's OEM, right? Maybe it's like that, right? But so with some of the bumps on the A14, I found it a bit harsh. So I did a bit of research and I come to this. Now, this performs very much like the Showa SS8, but it's slightly softer, right? So this is going to come as highly recommended, and I'm getting to that stage now where I need to change it again. Just noticing a little harshness, a little jitteriness on the front wheel over high frequency bumps on rough roads and so on, right? So yeah, I think it's time. It's been, well, 3 years I think since I changed them out, so we're getting to that stage. I mean, it's the same with the rear shock. I had that serviced I don't know, 3 to 4 years ago, and now I'm chasing the rebound, clicking that up. So I think we're going to need to get that serviced. I'm going to hope I'm going to get through to the end of the summer, because it's a bit of a pain to take it all out, send it away, get serviced, bring it back, so on. Right, the place where I took the rear shock previously was near Braintree in Essex, and they've moved now closer to Peterborough that I can see. So yeah, probably rather drive it down somewhere that fairly locally is okay. But if you're start messing around posting it, getting them posted back, although Peterborough's not that far, right? I could take the Harley and just ride it up there, right? Be a nice little ride out. So but coming back to this, highly recommended, right? So not quite sure what you're using. Put it in the comments, let me know what fork oil you're going for. But if you're using this and equally find it as decent as I do, yeah, let me know. All right, that's it for today. We will get a video of me changing the oil. I've got to order another one of these. There's only a little bit in here. So we'll catch you next time, YouTube. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Have a happy weekend.